Hi, guys. My name's Alex. I'm a registered nurse with 10 years of experience in healthcare. I have worked in a variety of settings, mostly ICU, but I've traveled across the country and I've experienced a lot of different health systems and I've helped a lot of people. I've recently transitioned to telehealth, and I think throughout all of my experience, the biggest lesson that I have learned is that we have less so much of a sickness problem and more so much of an education problem in our healthcare system. I've spent my career helping patients understand their bodies and their health in a way that actually makes sense. And I've seen so much fear in what comes from not knowing. I see knowledge is power, and I've realized that people need accessible, trustworthy health education outside the clinic walls. So that's why I'm here. I'm starting this podcast because I believe everyone deserves clear, compassionate health information without medical jargon, without shame, without judgment, or even feeling rushed. My goal here is to create a safe space for all of us where we can feel informed and empowered and supported in our health journeys. Since transitioning away from the bedside to the world of telehealth, I've personally become obsessed with my own health and wellness. Taking care of my health has become not just a way of life, but a life saving endeavor. I've seen so much in the hospital and just with health in general, and comorbidities and illnesses that could have been avoided just through preventative care and proper knowledge and education. I've watched patients go from confused to confident in one conversation, and I've directly seen the impact that appropriate health education has had, not only for myself, but for the patients and the people that I've helped to care for. I want to help bridge this gap that seems to exist between the clinic and then what you experience in your everyday life. And I want you to feel confident. I want to help you feel confident in asking these questions and also in advocating for yourself in your own health journey. So, you can expect here, we're going to talk about real life health topics in a practical and approachable way. Think of me as your nurse in your back pocket. These education topics that you'd receive at the bedside or in a clinic for 5 minutes with a nurse or a doctor, you can come and find right here. We're going to talk about managing chronic conditions, GLP-1 medications and weight loss, the difference between men and women's health, preventative care. Whether you're navigating a new diagnosis or just trying to build healthier habits or just curious about your body, this is the place for you. My promise is to keep everything honest and clear and human. No scare tactics, no confusing medical jargon. I just want us to all be able to learn and communicate and enjoy together. So, just real conversations that help you understand your health and take control of it. If this sounds like something that you're interested in or the kind of support that you're looking for, please hit follow, subscribe, and join me here every week. And if you have topics or questions that you want covered, please send them my way in the comments. This podcast is built for you, for me, for all of us. Thanks for being here. I'm so excited to learn with you and grow with you and help you feel more confident in your health journey. Here is where we start making healthcare human care. Let's get started.